Behind. Fuck, I can't see. Get it! Fucking snow in my eyes! Where are you going with that?
Blast them!
Oh. I'm doing snowing!
Get your arms out of here!
I'm gonna watch from the ground. Oh, that was fun. Mitch is a douchebag. Joe, I'm up! Ow, that hurt. It hurts when you don't have elbow pads. Get in there! Shoot! Still here. Joe, go down there. Dan, do not turn it over right after you take it out. Yes! Down they go! No, Danny just took him out. Oh, shit! Slap shot! Just kidding. Yes!
Get the fuck out of here. Ah, fuck. Oh, God damn it, Danny.
Hold up.
Fucking keep your elbow down.
Oh, your elbow?
Yeah. Man, you elbowed me right in the nose.
That would have scared the fuck out of me, dude.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, skate on.
Quit being a bitch, dude.
No, it actually hurt.
You're being a pussy. Here, jump right here.
I got it!
Jump.
I got it!
Jump, send it.
I can't fucking, because Tyler's gonna bang it out of my...
I don't know.
Fuck. Gino! Yeah, right. Oh! Clear! Hey! Oh, yeah. Yeah, you think you're sick, buddy? Yeah! Here! Is that throat? That was the throat. All the excruciating, Joe, all the excruciating detail captured in HD perfection.
Roll it off. Here.
Am's apple?
No.
It hit my chin.
No, you're right here. That's
Don't
bloody.
touch his blood.
I got gloves on.
Spit it. What? Spit all the blood.
It's just a tiny cut.
No.
It's tiny.
Corner.
Here. I'll take your finger.
Oh.
Blood! It's not, it just looks bad then. It looks worse than, no, on your finger it looks bad.
Ow! That's three! Each other out! Knuckle touch, hug both? Oh.
You out there, the kids don't have a chance.
1,
2, 3, go! Just go! Yeah, where's the shovels at? Do it, man.
Yo, I gotta get home. That's the problem.
Alright, I want to go home too, but I want to get Austin home because I'm a true bro. Alright, ready?
You in reverse? Are you in reverse?
What? Reverse.
There we go.
Yeah, keep pushing. Oh, let's go.